Max Your Journey Tribe, RV community, welcome back. Guys, you have a problem, I'm going to help you fix it. We run an RV rental fleet, so we have multiple units. That's going to mean multiple issues, guys. But today's problem is we have the toilet that is filling all the way up and overflowing. After we have left the unit, after we wake up in the morning, we notice water on the floor because it's going to take a little while. I'm going to show you exactly where to look, how to fix it, and how to do it for free. It could be as simple as this tip in this video, so stay tuned. So this unit, as you see here, just got back from a rental. This unit as well has just gotten back, and we run a whole fleet of RVs, so we run into multiple issues. Now this is the toilet, right? You're going to notice when you come back, it's going to be completely full of water. I just simulated this by filling it up right here. You're going to notice it completely full with water on the floor. If it's full, this is actually a good sign, okay? You don't want to leak around the bottom. If it's full, it's not leaking and you didn't leave it full. So what's happening is I'm going to flush this. Water goes down. You're going to focus right here, not behind here. You need to tighten those anyway. But this video, you want to focus right here. As you see, you're going to let off. So say if you were using the toilet, you used it, you flush it down, you let it go. And then if you look right here in this area and you see it just slowly dripping out, just like this, where the water's just slightly pouring in. So what I'm doing right now is holding my foot on the pedal to simulate that. But this is how it will look. You won't even be able to notice. But it's slowly filling up. You can see the water moving. So say you go out for a trip for 4 hours. You come back, you go to sleep and wake up. It will fill up completely because your seal on the bottom is holding very good. It's filling up. But this is your water, your toilet check valve, guys. This thing could be going bad, which you will have to replace if it's going bad. But this is the easy fix, guys. I'm sorry to focus on the toilet so much. This is the easy fix. You want to come over here, if you notice that little thing dripping, and you just want to slam on the step. All the way down, clear it out. Do it multiple times. Clear it out. There could be debris in there. It could be a sticky check valve. Now you'll notice the water is stopped. It's not filling up anymore. It's just your check valve is getting stuck. So if you check that out, you slam it down, you get the debris out, and it quits leaking, you're good to go. That's the free fix. If it's still dripping or you notice it filling up, it's coming from the check valve in there, guys. You have to replace it. But this is the easiest fix that you will get. Slam on it, clean the debris out, and avoid basically flooding your RV. So if you were to leave it hooked up and go for multiple days, you would flood your whole RV. But we're going to avoid that by just simply cleaning out that check valve by flushing water through it, guys. So if I helped you out, hit that thumbs up, hit subscribe, and max your journey. Check out these next videos because they will help you out in the long run. Let's go.